Less than or equal to is a less than symbol with one line of an equal sign. While the word inequality means two values that are not equal, in math we are asking which is greater and which is less. Parentheses, we could simply use the not equal symbol, which is an equals with a line through it, if we only wanted to know that values were not equal, end parentheses. As an example of an inequality, given -6 and 2, which is greater and which is lesser? Any negative number is less than a positive number, so -6 is less than 2, with the less than symbol having the small point toward the smaller number, which is -6, and the larger side toward the larger number, which is 2. Parentheses, this statement can be rotated as in 2 is greater than -6, so now the symbol rotates, still with the larger side toward the larger number 2. Notice the larger part or the open mouth of the inequality sign is toward the 2, no matter which way the statement is written. It should be noted that there are several ways to illustrate a greater than or less than relationship, one being an open dot and the other being a dashed line, which excludes the value in question. That brings us to a compound statement of greater than or equal to and less than or equal to, each using either a greater than symbol or a less than symbol and one line of an equals line, where an inequality symbol is combined with an equal sign. If we use a variable in an inequality statement like x is greater than 5, we now have a set of potential numbers that could work, any number above 5 up to infinity. Infinity symbol is an 8 laying down on its side. Infinity is not a number, but rather a concept of numbers that never stop increasing. If our statement is changed to x is greater than or equal to 5, then the set of possible numbers includes the number 5 and goes up from there to infinity. In the case of a compound statement, a solid dot or a solid line would be used because of the presence of the equal sign, meaning the number in question is included. Although more will be explained on this issue later, it should be noted that x is less than or equal to 5 is 5 and every number all the way down to negative infinity, and the symbol for negative infinity is a negative sign with an infinity symbol, which is an 8 laying down on its side. Negative infinity is not a number, but the concept that numbers continue to become increasingly negative, parentheses, or smaller, end parentheses, forever. A less than or equal to and a greater than or equal to are compound statements that combine an equals sign and an inequality sign and include the value in question. Antonyms: equal, equals, equality. Related words: greater than, less than, greater value, lesser value, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, solid dot, open dot, solid line, dashed line, set.